Burnie's big mood.
Oh, you mean with the sunglasses? I didn't think
The sunglasses and the hat. And the shorts.
He does look kind of popish. What's up with his hat?
I told you that. You gotta push it down in the middle.
They had that sell crowns.
Oh, they sure do.
Fair, right?
They sure do.
What are they, assholes?
Well, you and I know that because you and I are the true Rennies in the group.
Well, let's not go crazy saying stuff like that.
We are at the Texas Renaissance Festival.
Actually, is this your first? You look nice in your.
Thanks.
Sunglasses are perfect.
Hey, what's up?
Looking good. All right, all right, all right.
And Grace, you threw this together for just this, right?
I did! I made it yesterday.
That's
You made
crazy.
that yesterday?
Yeah! That's awesome. Yeah, that's Grace for you.
Patrick had this.
Yeah.
This is just, he had this available.
This is Ragnar.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
This is amazing.
Should we?
Ellie, I can't help but notice it's like there's a lot of different aesthetics from different times here.
It's not so much Renaissance as
No.
old time fair.
It's kind of like if, it's like a mashup.
There's some like Egyptians here. There's just a guy dressed as a bat.
Yeah, there's a guy just dressed as a
I
bat.
feel like it's just kind of anything goes.
What are you gonna do? But all right, we're gonna go through quests that we're gonna figure out for today. Patrick, what are you gonna do?
Hey.
What are you on the hunt for today?
So I'm on the hunt for a musical instrument, a lute, if I can find it. I think it's one of these.
A magical
Oh,
lute?
I thought you meant you wanted like loot, as in like
No,
stuff.
like an actual lute.
Well, his lute is lute.
Because I'm a bard.
Can you-
Rangor the gypsy bard running down the street. Everybody likes him and no one's seen his feet.
Barb, what are you looking for today?
I'm looking for my wings.
What do you mean?
Well, I'm a fairy, duh, as you can see.
Okay, clearly.
That was obvious. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what else I could do to make it more obvious. So I need wings, and apparently they have some good wings at the Ren Fair, which I have already seen a lot of. I'm gonna see who lasts the longest, and then I'm gonna ally myself with them. So we'll see how that works.
You look like
on the forehead.
last man standing?
Yeah, last man standing. I did get forcibly grabbed by the skull. Someone in that parade just grabbed her and then kissed her forehead, and it was like a beautiful moment between mother and daughter. But
I pretty much only have one quest today, and that's to find a turkey leg. But luckily, I have my squire right there
so I'm dressed
who can
as.
help do it.
I'm dressed as a squire.
Also, Ellie, in addition to the turkey leg,
Yeah.
I want you to find, I don't know what it is, but identify something here that would be useful in the apocalypse.
I think I can do that.
Some skill that would be useful
skill?
in the apocalypse. Which is, I mean, in medieval times and Renaissance times, they were convinced
What if I
everything
learned
was
how to
gonna-
joust?
What? I don't know, would that be useful?
Yes? Oh, what if I found a shield?
That's a good idea.
All right.
I like that, that's a good idea.
Okay.
What's most important?
What do you mean what's most important?
More so than,
Getting Bunny a turkey leg?
that's the most important thing.
Yeah, getting Bunny a turkey
Let's
leg.
keep it straight.
Okay, great.
Whiskey, please. Thank you.
Oh, look at that. You found that already. Found a turkey leg. It took you all of 5 minutes.
It's a left one too.
Oh, I specifically asked for a left leg.
A king
Worth it?
with his turkey.
That's a left leg.
Yeah.
Definitely a left leg.
left. Chug. Only with turkey legs.
But Grace, you're are you okay saying what your day job is?
Yeah, I am a cop by night, and by day I make costumes and post tutorial videos on YouTube.
How did you get into making costumes as a cop?
Well, my mom actually introduced me to cosplay when I was 15 years old, and I was going to my first ever anime con. She was like, hey, you want to make a costume for this thing? And I was like, I didn't even know people did that. That's awesome. So she taught me how to sew, and she helped me make my first costume, and I've just been hooked ever since.
Sure, Aloy from Horizon Zero Dawn was amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, really amazing. What's been your favorite one you've done so far?
Aloy is definitely up there. I love doing How to Train Your Dragon with Adam because I helped him make his first costume and we kind of like recreated it together.
Yeah.
And it was also after I took a hiatus from cosplay for a while, so I was kind of getting back into it, and it just like reminded me why I love it so much. So.
And you, Adam, I've known you for years. I didn't really think of you as a cosplayer.
I wasn't until I started dating Grace.
Yeah.
Grace got me into making stuff, so it's been awesome.
And what's been your favorite one? Look at this. This is, I can feel this. I can feel her chewing on it over here. What's been your favorite one you've
It's
done?
still Stoic and Valka because it was really fitting, and also just like it was the first time I got reactions to a costume, and everyone was like super jazzed, and everyone wanted to take pictures, and it was so positive of an experience that like that's what got me into it.
Do you guys have any quests for today? Anything you want to do there?
I want to find animals.
I want to
them.
pet a tiny horse.
Yeah, anything
could do
animal
that,
related,
that'd
I'm
be
in.
cool.
We gotta find them a
Yeah.
tiny horse.
I saw
let's go do
one.
it.
All right.
We got some fair wings over there.
I think they might be for children.
I'm a little larger than someone who would fit those wings.
So Barbara, any luck on the wings yet?
So far, no. The only wings we've actually seen have been little kid wings.
Children's wings.
Would have been too small for my body, so we decided to go against those. But we did get face paint.
Yes.
So I think it's like we're halfway there.
Beautiful.
Milady, I did promise you I would do this.
Now what did we just find?
Well, I'll tell you what we found. Ocarinas.
So we're getting close.
We are close to musical instruments.
And little whistles.
whistles and
And a
ocarinas.
songbook.
And then horns.
So that's not as close.
Oh, we're getting close. Come,
getting-
let's away.
I'm gonna check out the armory because I think there's a pretty good chance I'll find my shield in there. I reckon. Or like armor. Ooh, armor. I found a super cool shield. Check this out.
I will try.
That's rad.
You were looking for a shield.
Nope, not this one. Everyone's
We're
like,
looking for a lute. Do you know where I might find one?
we thought as you a trusty woodsman.
Go that way.
Yes.
Go past the joust field.
Past the joust field.
Keep going.
Don't stop.
Yeah, don't stop. You'll see the glass blowers
Glass.
and the fairies somebody use. And then there's like some drummers down there. And
So we passed the jousting.
Yes.
Past the glass blowers. Past the fairies.
Fair.
Past the
Drummers.
And there's the drummers. And then instruments. Let's do it. Thank you very much.
stay on the right hand side.
Madame.
And let us away.
Barbara, I see wings.
We have discovered the mecca of wings. Hello. I have been looking for fairy wings all day.
Okay, we have tons. What, really big wings?
I think like a medium size would be good. I don't want to be bumping into everyone, but only a few.
That is awesome. Oh, Barbara, they catch the light in such
Yeah?
a pretty way.
I feel like I'm complete.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Power fairy, ready to go. These are perfect. These are perfect.
Oh shit, you gonna go accept it? Barbara has her beautiful wings. That's true. Patrick. No, nothing?
No, not so far.
No loot. No
Ellie,
loot.
you did acquire
And I don't have my shield yet.
I feel like I'm one step closer to knowing who's going to survive the longest and who I'm going to ally myself with because Barbara's already got her wings.
Oh, that's true. That's true. So Chelsea's almost there.
I'm almost there.
So we gotta head back in. We gotta find this boy his loot. I gotta find a shield. Burnie is gone.
Burnie's off being kingly. Adam and Grace are living their best life right now.
Somewhere. I love the cow.
It's just a sign. It's a sign.
Thank you. Let's think we're going the right way.
Okay, good.
We're going the right way.
Questing. We're still questing. We've passed the joust. Now we've passed the fairies. We're keeping an eye out for the glass blower.
Yeah.
And then beyond that will be drums and hopefully musical instruments, including, but not limited to, a lute. Let us continue.
Okay.
Eleanor, what have you found?
Now, my task for Burnie is to get a shield for the apocalypse.
Mm-hmm.
And I do like this one.
Aha. Flesh.
Mission accomplished.
And now you gotta carry that around with you.
Sweet. Ideal.
Ideal.
All right.
You can wear it like a purse.
Well, I have I can swing it on my back.
All right, so recap. Ellie's got her shield. Babs has her wings.
And Patrick does not have his loot.
Oh man.
Yeah,
like
fat
your
little
hat.
belly. You're my friend.
You don't look like you need a snack.
All right, quest is complete. Right there, happy person.
So happy. So happy.
I think you're my favorite.
Ellie, once more, what did you see?
Yonder, glass blowing. We're traversing in the correct direction. I think we're gonna find this loot. I'm pretty proud. I'm pretty positive we're gonna find it.
Say, let us away.
Let us away.
We did it! We found it!
Accomplished. We found one.
We found Oh my god.
Ah, the loot. We have found it.
You're like a proper bard now.
Mission accomplished.
Bit of a problem though.
What's that?
It's $650.
Ooh.
So here's my soul.
Okay.
This finger drum.
Same. That'll work.
Here's my instrument.
It's ideal. It's just for you.
Hanukkah, come light something.
All right, we totally did it. Barbara did it.
Barbara has her wings.
I have my wings.
I have my shield. It's on my back right now.
Loot, Patrick.
We make do. So we make do. We did it, you guys. So now Chelsea. Which of us do you choose? It is me! Because I can protect.
You can protect and you can attack.
Well, then
There we
that
go.
means Patrick and to be together.
Yay! Very much.
He's been bewitched.
We just ran into a lovely fan of Rooster Teeth, and she mentioned that by the entrance there's a foam weapon shop, and for sale there is a crescent rose from Ruby and Blake's gamble shroud as well. So we gotta find those.
We gotta find them.
We gotta find them.
We gotta find them.
It's also a gun.
Did we find it?
We found it. We did. Oh my god.
Good, right?
This is not licensed, but it's awesome that it's here. This is really cool.
That does it for us at the Renaissance Festival. We accomplished all of our quests,
Our class.
and we're gonna head out of here and back to Austin. All right, see you guys. Bye.
And that does it for our day at the Ren Fest. You had a good
All
day.
done, all done.
You had a good day.
I had a great day. Look, I got a wine flask. Bring me wine.
So we did great. I got my turkey leg. That was a quest completed. Adam got to pet animals. That was nice.
Barb got her fairy wings.
Yeah, Ashley's got bitten by the Renaissance Festival bug.
I'm gonna come every week with a different theme. I'm gonna be a pirate, I'm gonna be a thief, I'm gonna be a wench, I'm gonna be a lady. It's gonna be great.
We're not coming back next week.
It's Christmas.
Bye, everybody.